Hey everyone, if your computer is running low on storage, the first step is finding the folders that are using the most space. TreeSize Free makes this incredibly easy by scanning your drive and sorting folders by size automatically. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to find large folders with TreeSize Free. So let's get started. First, launch TreeSize Free from the Windows Start menu or your desktop. If you're scanning your Windows system drive, click the application and select Run as administrator. This gives TreeSize Free permission to analyze protected folders for a more complete scan. Once TreeSize Free opens, click Select Directory near the top of the window and choose the drive you want to analyze. Most users start with the C drive, but you can also scan external drives, SSDs, USB devices, or specific folders. The scan begins automatically after you make your selection. After the scan finishes, TreeSize Free lists your folders by size. The largest folders usually appear at the top automatically, but if needed, click the size column to sort them from largest to smallest. Yeah, this makes it easy to see which folders are consuming the most storage. Now click the small arrow beside any large folder to expand it. TreeSize Free immediately shows the sizes of its subfolders, helping you narrow down exactly where the storage is being used. I mean, you can keep expanding folders until you locate the specific files responsible. For a visual comparison, switch to the treemap view. Every rectangle represents a folder or file, and the larger the rectangle, the more storage it occupies. This makes it much easier to spot unusually large folders without scrolling through long lists. Once you've found the largest folders, review their contents carefully before deleting or moving anything. Focus on personal files such as downloads, videos, backups, or old project folders that you no longer need. Avoid deleting Windows system folders or application files unless you're absolutely certain they're safe to remove. And that's how to find large folders with TreeSize Free. By identifying the biggest storage users first, you can clean up your drive more efficiently and free up valuable disk space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.